Hi there, let's take a look at completing step 6 from the business unit number 2 in the MyITLab. So step 6 says we want to create spark lines to view the sales at a glance. In G5 through G16, insert spark lines based on B5 through E16. So I'm going to hop over to my Excel file. I'm going to select G5 through G16. Under the Insert tab, I'm going to choose Spark Lines and Line. And then the data range that it tells me that it's based on is B5 through E16. So in the data range, that's the range I'm going to select. The location range should already be filled in because I already selected it before I began. All right, now I'm going to click OK, and then it tells me to add high point markers. So under the Design tab, I'm going to find the high point, there it is, and turn that on. Then we do the same thing for the men's clothing, which you can see I already have mine inserted. So go ahead and finish those and have that step complete. Then we'll move on.